family? Your boy Black Phoenix checking in, walking right now. Just dropped my my Chevy off to get looked at so I can be able to fix a couple of small issues that's on it to get some more money out of it. So it's not too far from where I stay at, so I just drove over there and decided to walk home. But I was thinking about something. Someone asked me about networking myself and how do I get service calls constantly. And the key to that is being ready in season and out of season. And what that means is prepare yourself. Make sure you have the tools you need. Make sure you have the equipment needed. Make sure that you place an ad so that way others can know about the services that you're offering. And always be ready. You know what I mean? Like at a drop of a dime, always be ready. Sometimes I have some service calls, a lot of times, where these people need help like yesterday or like last week. And they need you to come in and show up on time and do what needs to be done and go that extra mile. They're willing to pay for it. They might not pay for it up front as far as hiring the proper help that they need. That's why they're calling you. So you come in, you show up, show out, get some money and move on, and it opens up a big door. You see what I'm saying? So they'll always hit you up because even if they don't want to pay you that money, they're like, man, this guy know what he's doing. You see what I'm saying? So I would rather call him to work on it versus me calling someone else and they don't know what they're doing. So that's like the main key is just to stay ready. You know what I mean? The Bible always say to the children of God to stay instant in season when you are giving a word to someone or you're encouraging someone and you're uplifting someone. Always be ready to give a good word of encouragement. And I look at that as business as well. Always be ready to work for yourself. Always be willing to go that extra mile so that way you can live better. Hold on.